Hey, Kathleen here. I'm reviewing these Amazon Basics premium colored pencil set. 24 pencils in a tin tray container. It snaps shut, but I have it open just so I can open it up with one hand. They all have their own space and they fit nicely back in when you are done with it. I have found that it's easiest to just pop it here to get it out when you're ready, or even just grab it here. So they are just beautiful colors. And really, it kind of runs the gamut. I don't really need anything more than that. Let me just show you how something might color. So let's take this color, which is called just plain old red. And you can see it's super vibrant. I can demonstrate another one. So they are really beautiful colors. And I do have something colored over here in this little coloring book that I'll show you. My granddaughter and I were working on this last night. She doesn't push as hard as I do. She doesn't fill in the spaces quite so much, so these aren't as vibrant as they could be. But you know what? That's kind of a technique, and maybe that's what she wanted. So anyway, I have found these to be great. She uses them and I use them, so we have a lot of fun with these.